4 clues to guess the card. What is it? This is Mark. This is English fluency practice. This is the card guessing game. I will give you 4 clues and you guess what is behind the card. In our last video, I gave you these 4 clues. Let's review the 4 clues and find out what is behind the card. The topic is business. Here we go. Clue number 1. It's a document about yourself. It's a document about yourself. Clue number 2. It lists your education and work experience. It lists your work and education experience. Clue 3, it helps when applying for jobs. It helps when applying for jobs. And clue number 4, it highlights skills and qualifications. It highlights skills and qualifications. What is it? Do you know? Well, let's find out. Here we go. Drum roll. And it is a resume. Yes, it's a resume. It's a document about yourself, right? So it describes you, right? And it lists your education and work experience. So where you went to school, what degrees you have, and what jobs you had in the past. It also helps when you are applying for jobs. It helps when you are applying for jobs because it tells what you are qualified to do, what experience you have, where you have worked, and your educational background. And of course, it highlights your best qualities, right? Okay, great job. And of course, there is something else behind the card. Yes, there is. I have 4 clues, and you guess what is behind the card. Here we go. Clue number 1. Oh, the topic is business. The topic is business. Clue number 1. It's a way to share information. It's a way to share information. Clue number 2. It involves speaking in front of others. It involves speaking in front of others. Clue number 3, slides or visuals are often used. Slides or visuals are often used. And clue 4, it communicates ideas on a specific topic. It communicates ideas on a specific topic. What is it? Well, you have to come back for the next video to find out what is behind the card. Okay, thank you so much. Take it easy. Bye. Thank you. Okay, great job. And please don't forget to subscribe. And please ring that bell to get all my videos. And please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And for worksheets and flashcards, please check out my website, markkulek.com. And I have a Patreon page. There you can download worksheets that we do in our live stream classes. So please go to Patreon, check out those worksheets. Okay, thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.